Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Becky and welcome to the back of my couch. Back behind you I have 3 giant windows that give me enough natural lighting, and I just put that plant there because I thought it would just break up the neutralness. Anywho, so yeah, meet. I don't know, I haven't named him yet. I've named all my plants, but I haven't named you. So anyway, I'm done touching it. So today's video is going to be a brow makeover, and I'm so excited because these things are horrid. They're so bad. I have not touched them since before the COVID, before the whole shutdown of salons. So man, it's probably been about 6 months, if not longer. Every once in a while I will take like a little razor, like the back of the razor, my husband's razor, and just do the unibrow real quick if I'm like going somewhere. That's about it. So these things are really bad at the moment. So let's jump right into it. And I was gonna do waxing, but to me it almost takes longer, and I still have to go in with tweezers, so we're just gonna go in with tweezers. These are just, I think they're like from HEB. So I just tried going in with tweezers and it was taking entirely too long. So I'm actually gonna go with the wax, I believe. So hold up real quick. I'm gonna go get the wax and show you how I use it. And y'all are gonna watch me wax these eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Sally Hansen Stripless Wax for body and face, and an Ouch Relief Stripless Hard Wax. It's obviously an at-home kit. I got it at Walmart. I'll put the price below. The kit comes with, shows like a little picture right here. Wax jar, 3 Ouch Relief numbing wipes, 4 Azuline, hope I'm saying that right, oil, finishing wipes, 6 spatulas, 3 small, 3 large, and instructions. So first use the Ouch Relief numbing wipes. It says allow to dry for 10 minutes before hair removal. Honestly, I have a pretty high pain tolerance, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So we're just gonna go right in for the waxing. This is the Ouch Relief Stripless Wax right here. Here's the jar, 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go heat this up real quick and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and I think I already said this, but I do not have a stitch of makeup on. What's the point if it's gonna come off anyway? I'm going in with a smaller spatula. This is not called a spatula. What is it called? I need to Google it. It's driving me crazy. Crazy. The smell on this though, oh, it's bringing me back to a memory. It smells like some kind of tea with a dash of honey. Anyway, it smells so good. It's like that pearly color. Anyway, I'm sure y'all don't care, but these kinds of things matter to me. So it gives you instructions on each area that you will do. So mine is the eyebrows. It gives you instructions on arm, upper lip, chin, legs, bikini, hairlines and sideburns, and eyebrows, very last. And I need all of those. Take this. I think that's enough right here. Make sure that you twirl it because this wax, it creates a string, and oh my god, it can be so messy. Okay, I'm not gonna, do you see this? See what I'm talking about? Then again, I don't want all those strings. Okay. Gosh darn it, my kid just came out. He was napping. All right, so I need to go in the direction. Hi, baby. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is not in the direction. Oh wait, is it? Oh no, I'm not doing this right. Is this funny? No, don't pull it. Don't pull it. No, I'm so serious. Don't do that. No. Hold on. Hold on. No. No. Okay, hold on. Ah. Oh God, this is such, I knew this would be, okay, so I'm, oh my God. Hold on, I'll let you play with it. Just let me get it off. Okay, I'm gonna pull it taut. I'm so scared. Okay, ready? Wax on there, you're not supposed to do it again apparently. It's just what I've heard. I'm gonna go for it again. It gets very messy. That's the only thing about this stuff. It could be me that just doesn't know how to apply it. So those who, you know, those experienced waxers, y'all probably look at me and like, what is wrong with you? Okay. I don't know about that one either. I'm just gonna press it in. Maybe that will help. Shoot, that hurts. Okay, you ready? It hurts. You ready? Say 1, 2, 3. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm not mad about it. Want that hair? What the heck? Bubbles. Come on, I don't. That's better. That's way better. No. Okay, we gotta count. Taut. Okay, hold on. Wait, so it's going that way, so we're gonna go
1.
Hold on, I'm not ready. Got me stressed. Okay. What? Okay, you ready?
Yes.
You better count for me.
Okay. We go.
No. 1, 2, 3. No, say 1, 2.
We.
Ah.
That's me.
Thank you. So I'm gonna tweeze down the middle. So right here, I'm just gonna go across here and do this side. I'm just gonna go in right here, clean up this area now. But cleaned up this area right here. I'm gonna go on the other side. It helps to have good tweezers too. It really makes a difference. These stuck. Okay, so there are these hairs right here. I'm wondering if I want to take them out. Before I do, I kind of pull the hair down with the tweezer and I see kind of how the brow would be without the hair. I don't know if you can see it, but I look at it like that. So I want to take those hairs out. A little story, I got a scar right here, so it made my eyebrows uneven. So usually I take this out and I just fill it in with brow pencil. So I'm gonna take a few of these hairs. Oh, what is that right there? So I'm done with the tweezing and the waxing, which did not go as I would have liked, but I mean, it's usually how things go for me. Just trim the tops of it. Just a tiny, tiny bit. All right, so that's the end of this brow makeover. Just filled them out just a tiny bit. Where's the pencil? And what a difference it makes. Obviously, they're not perfect. They're not identical, but they're a hell of a lot better than what they look like, right? Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed Lorenzo, me with the wax debacle. Oh my gosh, that was just horrendous. That did not go as planned. But that's what makes life interesting, huh? Anyway, so I'll see y'all later. Thank you for tuning. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.